2025. The world of extreme off-road machines has never looked the same again. The arrival of the Giga Warrior Extreme redefined what raw power, armored design, and futuristic presence should feel like. This isn't just a machine, it's a moving fortress on wheels, standing taller, heavier, and more dominant than anything in its class. The Giga Warrior Extreme delivers not only performance, but a commanding aura that turns every head, every time. The design speaks for itself. Monolithic, aggressive yet aerodynamically sculpted. With a matte industrial steel finish layered with active armor plating, the Giga Warrior Extreme looks like it's been pulled straight out of a sci-fi battlefield. The front end is completely reimagined with an oversized armored grille, adaptive laser-cut headlights, and a bumper that feels like it could punch through mountains. Every curve and contour is functional, deflecting debris, reducing drag, and giving the machine its legendary stealth mech appearance. The tires are unlike anything we've seen in conventional off-roaders. Massive, tread-packed, and reinforced with kinetic chain-link structures, they don't just roll, they conquer. These oversized units feature active pressure modulation, adapting instantly to sand, gravel, snow, or rock. Whether you're climbing 80-degree rock faces or gunning through flooded terrain, the Giga Warrior Extreme remains glued to the earth with unnerving stability. Step inside, and it's a completely different world. The cabin is cocooned in silent, luxury, brushed steel accents. Meet military-grade leather, while ambient lighting in hues of deep crimson and cobalt blue wraps around you. Every seat is individually suspended, climate-controlled, and digitally adjustable. The cockpit is fighter jet-inspired, with a full 360-degree panoramic control HUD, a tactical command interface, and biometric ignition that only responds to its registered user. This is more than a dashboard. It's a mission control center, powering the Giga Warrior. Extreme is a dual-core hybrid engine, one part massive V12, twin-turbo diesel, one part high-output electric torque unit. Together, they produce a combined force of over 2,000 horsepower and an unbelievable 8,000 Nm of torque. This isn't built for speed. It's built for unstoppable force. Top speeds are electronically capped at 130 km/h for safety, but getting there feels like launching a tank. And yet, despite all this power, its intelligent suspension system keeps the ride buttery smooth on all terrains.